In January 1977, a historic blizzard slammed western New York, driven by Arctic winds and deep lake-effect snow. Wind gusts over 60 miles per hour lifted old snow into whiteout conditions, burying roads, homes, and entire vehicles. Highways froze in place, visibility collapsed, and thousands of cars were abandoned where they stalled. Emergency crews and the National Guard were deployed as Buffalo became one of the most paralyzed cities in modern U.S. winter history. Temperatures stayed brutally low, and the storm's drifting snow turned streets into frozen corridors for days. The blizzard of 1977 wasn't just heavy snow. It was a perfect storm of wind, cold, and lake-effect fury.